How's it going, subscribers? Today we're going to be talking about the company and the stock Nio. Nio, N-I-O, Nio. So when it comes to Nio, we know that Nio has actually been declining recently. Like we could see, look, check this out. In the past year, it's down 36%. Past 3 months, down 60%. In the last 1 month, it's down almost 20%. And in the last 5 days, it's down about 6%. And in the recent, it's actually gone up by very little. But pretty much, Nio has been going down. So what's going on? Is Nio going out of business, or is this just a correction, or what's happening with Nio? So when we look at the fundamentals, we can see that Nio is actually at its low point right now. We're at the 52-week range low. There is good news though, and the good news, and this is just my opinion right over here, is usually I don't consider a company a penny stock, and unless it falls below the $3 range. And when I say penny stock, I'm talking about usually worthless companies that usually will most likely lose you money. That's what I usually think of when I think of penny stocks. But Nio is actually, first of all, I don't consider Nio a penny stock. It's not in the penny stock range. You could also see the market cap at $4 billion, so it does have a lot of money. But we do know that it's expected to lose money now and also in the near future. So when you look at the volume is very high compared to the average volume. So people are getting more interested in Nio. We can see the when it comes to the inflow is actually doing better than the outflow. So this is good news. We look at when it comes to the news, we know there's not much major going on in the news besides the trade war. So that's actually been affecting the market as a whole. There's been a lot of fear in the markets. So like Warren Buffett says, buy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So now's a good time to be greedy. Now when we look at the analysts, we could see that among the 12 analysts, 2 of them are saying it's a strong buy, 4 of them are saying it's a buy, 4 of them are saying it's a hold, 1 of them is saying it's underperforming, 1 of them is saying it's a sell. Mostly they're saying it's a hold, but it's leaning towards the buy range. We look at the analyst price targets. We got the lows at below the $3 range at $2.09. So this is where we're expected the low point to be for Nio. But at the highs are expected to be at the $12.58. Expected to be as high as $12.58. So we could expect it to hit that high. We can see that we got a KDJ oversold over here. So what that means is too many people are selling, and so that's going to cause the price to go up because there's going to be a massive amount of buying. When you look at the income, we know that this company has been losing money in the short term. Also the balance sheet losing money, cash flow losing money, finance ratio. We got the return on assets slightly increased, so this is good news. We look at the financial statement, net income in the negative, and we look at the debt asset ratio has been increasing, and the liability is not too bad. We got the investing and operating. See you guys next time.